Are your ideas being ignored? Are your leaders struggling to engage, influence, and inspire action? Miscommunication costs more than time. It affects credibility, weakens leadership, and limits results, because every conversation is a performance, and most people have never been shown how to perform to their best. As a former opera singer turned communication expert, I bring techniques from the stage into the business world. In my talks, I show leaders and teams how to use voice, presence, and intention to communicate with clarity, confidence, and authority, so their message lands, their credibility grows, and their impact is felt.
And I think she did such a fantastic job of linking in, making sure that she understood her audience.
However, the maestro effect is about identifying ability. They are talent spotters with no benefit to themselves or to their careers. As experts, they share what they have seen with the person and seed the possibility of them fulfilling their potential.
Her session was incredibly interactive. Everyone was involved, engaged, genuinely enjoying themselves.
Because when you change how you perform, you change how you lead.